Because a happy man starts with a full belly, I'm making fufu for my husband today. Watch me as I peel the cassava and plantain.
Call me all night long.
Hey everyone, you welcome back to my channel. This is Matilda. I go by the name Ghana Girl. You all know Fridays are different for me, so my hubby called me and said I want to eat fufu. So it was my duty to make it happen.
So my husband wants to eat fufu this morning, and I'm taking these shoes to the laundry. So come with me, let's go buy cassava. This particular shoes has suffered in my hands. It has suffered.
I left the house to go buy the cassava, and then let me tell you guys, I can't say fufu is my husband's favorite food. He doesn't have a favorite food, and he doesn't always request for food. He always tells me to cook what I want and what is easy for me. So whenever he requests for a particular food, it is my pleasure to make it for him. My husband doesn't like fufu ayaka, like the one that we blend the cassava and then make it. So I have to get fresh. Those ones you can get bad cassava, no problem.
Enough. Okay. Enough. Huh?
Enough. Hello. Okay. I came to the supermarket and I requested for fresh cassava. Whenever you go to the supermarket in the UAE to buy cassava and you don't find fresh one, just ask the employees over there. They will give you a fresh cassava because they are always hiding down there. You have the right to eat fresh foods. I was just telling the guy, it's okay, but he wouldn't listen. I finished getting my cassava and my plantain. I still had to get a little bit of okra. My husband can't eat fufu without okra, so I had to get this okra, but I ended up forgetting to cook it for him, by the way. Yeah, so over here I picked and selected some okra. I weighed it, and this is my tapioca. It's 7.5, and this banana is 6.5. Yeah, so that was me going to get it ready.
I need some space to think this through. Call me.
And yes, I have to put the wig away. This is where the cooking starts. This is where I have to fill my husband's belly. So sit back, relax, and watch everything that is going on over here.
Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me.
This is my fufu machine. You see where it is? This thing has been with me for almost more than 2 years. Maybe almost 2 years, but it's been with me for a very long time. I bought it from Amazon. It's been my savior over here in the UAE. Yeah, here my fufu prep is ready, so I have to start pounding. I don't think I also use the traditional mortar and pestle when I go back to Ghana. I believe I'm going to use it because it's stress free, and I don't have to sweat to get what I want to eat.
I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie to you. I don't wanna fight. Call me all night long. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
And voila, this is what he had to eat. He ate this for lunch and then ate another one for dinner. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Try to give you